How to set color name in Mobile Legends. In this video, I'll show you how you can set color name in Mobile Legends. So to get started, go ahead and open Mobile Legends into your device. So make sure that you are signed in into your Mobile Legends account. And then from here, click on your profile at the top left of your screen. So skip this part and then go ahead and head over to your profile, click on settings at the top right, and then select player name. And then in here, you'll be able to change your name color. So as you can see, these are all of the available name colors that you can actually get. You can also get this as an event price or by subscribing to Starlight. And that is how you can basically set color name in Mobile Legends. You just need to select the name color from here and click on confirm to completely change it.